What's up guys, welcome to Tommy unboxing review. Now today I'm going to show you the ROC hobbies or aka FMS new crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Look at it. This is a 1/18th crawlers. It's called the Fair Horse. This is a Jeep Rubicon. Wow. Now this is manuals. We have a note here. Let's look at this little controllers. Now this is the Fly Sky's new small controllers. Look at the carbon fiber Texas. So beautiful. Some tools, the charger, and the winch. Let's see the crawler here. Now this Jeep Rubicon, it has the interior. You can see the interiors and all the gears are metals in the differentials here. Now this is a small 180 brushed motors here. Brushed motors. Unfortunately, the universal shafts here are not metals, plastic. Now let's look at the suspensions. Only springs here. It don't have the shock oils in it. All plastic, even the steering rods. Oh, look at this here. Bearings and the metal CVDs. Soft tears without foams in it. Let's open the hood. Look at it. The small batteries here. And this is a servo ESC and receivers 2-in-1. Here is some lights here. Lights. A lot of plastic rolls. Now this time the chassis, this is the metals here. Front bumper. Now let's see the small controllers. Slowest speed. Let's see the lights here. Headlights, chin lights. Now this is the breath mode. You can see the rear lights. Rear lights. Now this is the flash mode. Oh, you can see the brake lights turns on when you break it. Turn off. Unfortunately, the front bumper LED doesn't turn on. Small controllers here. So beautiful. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.